now we are promoted to which class? First standard. Correct? No? Enjoy. The year went slowly, right? Yes. But children, you have to improve yourself. After giving the exam, you come to know what are the faults you have and what in which field you need to improve yourself. Correct? No? ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ ನನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳ, ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಓದಬೇಕು, ಎಷ್ಟು ಓದಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಈಗ. ಇನ್ನೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಯುವರ್ ಓನ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸಸ್. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೀಡ್ ದ books more and more so that it will help you increasing your reading knowledge. Okay, before starting, every day we were discussing about one good habit. Today we will go to a good habit, that is form a queue to board the school bus. It's a topic. Form a queue to board the school bus. What do you mean by that? It's that before you stepping into the bus, you have to go in a queue before you stepping into the school bus. After going to a higher school, you may go by the school bus. That time, what you have to do? You should not rush into the bus. You should not push your friends. You should not jump into the bus before leaving, and you should not jump out of the bus while before stopping. Okay? Yes. What you have to do? You have to stand in a big queue. Okay, one after the other, everyone has to get into the bus. Okay, don't rush children or don't hurt your friends by pushing them. They may fall down or you may fall down while stepping into the bus. So be careful when you step into the bus. Go slowly and first you make yourself safety and also your friends safety, because if you fell down from the bus, so that your friend may also, who is standing backward to you, they can also get harm. How they will get harm? When you slip your leg, you will fall on them, they will fall down, they may get hurt on the head or some other parts. So be careful, don't rush while entering to the bus or while entering the train and all. Okay, be safety and go one by one. Okay, yes. Now we'll start our class. First I'll start with the maths. Okay, maths. What was the topic yesterday? We are learning about ordinal numbers. Okay, ordinal numbers. What is the ordinal number, children? Yes, it is something like orders. Order. Like ascending, it may be ascending or descending. But the number should be in the sequence. Sequence andre enu? Yesterday I told you, no? Sequence. Sequence means or equal. What is that? I showed you so many examples for ordinal. If I write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? It should go in a same order. Okay? Which gives you the place value. Like that, you can write like this also. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After the 5, what will come? 6. After the 6, what will come? 7. After the 7, 8. After the 8, 9. Like that, it is a order. You can write like this also. 2, 4, 6, 7. Sorry, 2, 4, 6, 8. And the 10. This is also in order. How you Yes, like this you can go in order. This is called a order. Ordinal number in the sense it's the place value. Place value of the specified number. What is that place value? Yes, today we are going to learn that one. For 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. For the 1 we will tell it as a first. For the 1 we will tell first. For the 2 we will tell second. Second place. While giving the rank, when the race occurs, while announcing the winner, we will tell the boy A. He got a first place. The boy B got a second place. Like that, third. This is R and D. This is fourth. Fourth place, first place, second place, third place, fourth place, fifth place, sixth place, seventh place, eighth place, ninth place and the 10th place. This is called the ordinals. Okay. The place value in which place it is that we call as a place. Now ಯಾವಾಗ ಇದನ್ನ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ನಿಮಗೆ? Yes, when you get a marks, that time we will announce the girl A got the first rank, the girl B got the second rank ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಆರ್ಡಿನಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ದ ಆರ್ಡಿನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವಾಗ when you play a game, when you play at a running race or any game, that time the winners will be announced. No, how they will announce? Yes, for example, Raju got a first prize, Seema got a second prize. Like that they will announce. No, that is the place of the winner. That means the Raju came first, the Seema came second. Like that we will assume. Correct, no? So for that recognition of the place, it is called a ordinal number. This we have to write in the names also. How you can write? This is first. F-I-R-S-T, first. This is second. This is third. Fourth. Fifth. Sixth. Seventh. Eighth. Okay. 9 and 10th. Okay. 9th and 10th. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, 9th and 10th place. This you can write it in the names also. Okay, these are the spellings for the places or ordinals. In your mathematics readiness book, they have given the same thing. Okay, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, 9th and 10th. These are all the place value. This we can do with our days example. Okay, how many days are there, children? How many days are there? Yes, we will write Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. These are the days. Okay, we will consider Sunday as a first day. Okay, Monday as a second day. Tuesday, third day. Wednesday, fourth day. Thursday, fifth day. Friday, sixth day. Saturday, seventh day. Again, what will comes? Sunday will comes. Correct, no? Again, Sunday will come. That day becomes first day of the particular week. Otherwise, if you continue for the month, we'll come to know that after seventh day, what will comes? Next day is a eighth day. If you take for the whole month. If you take for the weekly wise, the Sunday always remains the first day of that week. First day, second day, third day, fourth day, fifth day, sixth day and seventh day. This is the sequence what we learn in the weeks. Okay? Yes. How we will arrange? We will do one small experiment using the same thing. Okay? I will do the match the following for the same weeks. Okay? Here I will take the days. Second, fourth, seventh, first, fifth. Can you tell me the second day is which day here? Yes, it's a Monday. The fourth day here, it's a Wednesday. Seventh day here, Saturday. Okay, the first day is Sunday. Fifth day is Thursday. Okay children, I told you that we have MR book, Mathematics Readiness book. In that page number 66 is there, no? That I'll show you for the homework. Okay? Before that, have you understood what is this? Yes, this is the second day. Second day means Monday. Okay? Okay? Second day is Monday. See, I have written the days and I have taken the places here. So, second is the Monday. Fourth is Wednesday. Seventh day is Saturday. The first day of the week is Sunday. And fifth day is Thursday. Like this you can do for the month also children. Yes, this is the place value of the particular weekdays. Okay. If you take the same thing for the next week also, the Sunday will be the first day for the next week. But the Sunday will be the 8th day for the whole month. Okay? Understood now? You got it? Yes. See, please open your Mathematics Readiness book. You all have now that one. In that page number, okay, here I will write Mathematics homework is Mathematics Readiness book, page number 66. What they are given there? See, they are given a sequence of the what their ordinal number shows the order in a series. Say the words and numbers. First, second, exam first to you. Okay. Second. Like this they are given. What you have to do? You have to match like this. Okay. This you complete in the page number 66 in your mathematics readiness book. This is your one homework. The second homework is you all have the mathematics workbook. You have no like mathematics first homework, second homework, mathematics workbook. In that page number 29. Okay, page number 29. What they given? Days of the week. Enjoy the rhyme. Days of the week. Every week has 7 days. See how many you can say. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. What's your today? What's today? First comes Sunday, then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. What's today? You can enjoy this rhyme, children. With your own tune, you can use this. Which day of the week are the following? There also they are given. Match correctly. For the Sunday, already I showed you know which day is the Sunday. Yes, you can make a chart like this. The Sunday will be the first. The Monday will be the second. Like this, you need to make one chart. Yes? Yes. And complete the homework of the same thing in the maths workbook, page number 29. Okay, children? I hope you understood these things. Now we will move to next subject, that is English. It's in English. As usual, we were reviving the blends. L. Correct? No? What we were learning? BL, CL, FL, GL, then SL. Okay? I'll write only three words for this. Black, blue, block, clay, cloud, clock, flow, fleet, float, glow, glass, glide, slow, slim, slip. Okay, like this, so many words you can make with the blend of L. This you can learn it again and again. Okay, please read your phonic book also and also the Discover phonic book regarding this L words. Okay, the homework is for you in the RR book, Reading Readiness book. Reading Readiness book homework is page number 32. Okay, RR page number 32. What they have given? Look at each picture, circle the consonant. Blend that matches the beginning of the word. Okay, BL, PL. What it is? Color is blue. BL, blue. Next they are given SL, CL. That you have to combine. FL, PL. It's a float, floating of a leaf. That you have to see the pictures. If you don't don't know, you refer the previous pages. The same thing you need to circle the consonant of the blend. Okay, consonant blend. Understood, children? Yes. Now before closing my class, just I will revise you. This is the homework. Just I will revise you the EDS regarding day and night. Okay. What we learned in the day and night? Yes, day andre. What do you mean by day? It's a bright. Day is bright. Light. Yes, no? What you can see in the day? It's a sun. Then colors. Then what else? Colors. Then beautiful. Yes, no? You can see the beautiful things. In the night, what you can see? The stars, moon, then owl, dark, cool. So many things you will what? Enhance in the night time. So we learned little about the sun also, moon also. This is little what I did on the day and night summary. Okay, go through the other books or YouTube and you finish the work what I given yesterday doing the stars and keep it ready and you go on learn little more about this day and night, children. Hope you understood my class. Be happy and cool and stay safe at home. Bye.